VICTOG.com.
Okay, the next question is based on speed, distance and time. We have already solved this type of questions in linear equations in two variables. Don't be confused when you are getting a question like this. You may notice that here we have to find out only one quantity. Here we have to find out only one quantity. In the linear pair, we have to find out two quantities. That is the difference between two variables and a quadratic equation. So the question is, a motor boat whose speed is 18 kilometers per hour. Speed 18 kilometers per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers upstream than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. Here I shall read the question once more. A motor boat whose speed is 18 kilometers per hour in still water takes 1 hour more to go 24 kilometers upstream. That means distance. Distance is equal to 24 kilometers. Than to return downstream to the same spot. Find the speed of the stream. We have to find out the speed of the stream in this question. So, let us assume the speed of the stream. Let the speed of the stream is equal to x kilometers per hour. We are assuming the speed of the stream to be x kilometer per hour. So, speed and so the speed of the stream is x kilometer per hour and distance is equal to 24 kilometer. So, we can find out the speed in upstream and speed in downstream. Therefore, speed in upstream motion, speed in upstream is equal to 18 minus x kilometers per hour. In upstream motion, we have to subtract the speed of the stream from the speed of the boat. So we get 18 minus x kilometers per hour. Now speed in upstream is known and distance is known. So we can find out the time taken in upstream. Therefore, time taken in upstream. Time taken in upstream is equal to time. The formula is distance by speed. Distance by speed. Distance by speed. Distance is equal to 24 kilometer and the speed is 18 minus x kilometers per hour. 18 minus x. So much hours. Time taken in upstream is equal to 24 divided by 18 minus x hours. Now, speed in downstream. We are going to find out the speed in downstream. Speed in downstream. Speed in downstream is equal to 18 plus x. We have to add the speed of the stream to the original speed of the boat. Kilometers per hour. The distance is same in both the cases. The distance is 24 kilometers in upstream motion and in downstream motion also. So, distance. Distance is equal to 24 kilometer itself. Now we can again find out the time taken in downstream motion. Time taken in downstream motion. Time taken in downstream motion. Downstream is equal to distance by speed. That means 24 divided by 18 plus x hours. 24 divided by 18 plus x hours. Now, it is given in the question that in upstream motion, the time taken is 1 hour more than the time taken in the downstream motion. That means here, if the time taken is 10 hours, here it will be 9 hours. If the time taken in this case is 5 hours, the time taken in this case will be 4 hours. That means the difference between the time taken in upstream motion and in downstream motion will always be equal to 1. Means the difference between the time taken in upstream motion and the time taken in downstream motion will be always be equal to 1. That we can written as 24 divided by 18 minus x minus 24 divided by 18 plus x. This difference is equal to 1 itself. Now we are taking the LCM and hence cross multiplying. LCM is 18 minus x into 18 plus x, then cross multiplying 24 into 18 plus x minus 24 into 18 minus x is equal to 1. 24 into 18, or we can take 24 as a common factor. Now 24 into 18 plus x minus 18 minus into minus plus x, the whole divided by, the denominator is of the form a minus b into a plus b. What is a minus b into a plus b? We have already discussed the identity a square minus b square. A minus b into a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. That is 18 square minus x square is equal to 1. Here 18 and minus 18 will get cancelled and the resulting is 24 into x plus x at 2x divided by 18 square 324 minus x square is equal to 1. Now cross multiplying 24 into 2x 48x is equal to 324 minus x square. We can forward these two terms to the left, then minus x square will be plus x square and 324 is minus 324. Here as it is 48x, there exists 48x, then 324 to this side minus 324 is equal to 0. Now we have to use quadratic formula. Here the value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to 48 and c is equal to minus 324. Now b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to 48 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 324. 48 square we can find out by multiplying it 48 into 48. 48 into 48. 48 square is equal to 2304. 2304. This minus and minus multiplying, the sign will be plus. 4 into 324, 1296. Adding, we are getting 0, 0, 6, 3. 3600 is the value of the discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Now x is equal to quadratic formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. The value of b is 48 and hence minus b is equal to minus 48 plus or minus root 3600 divided by 2 into the value of a is 1. Minus 48 plus or minus 60 divided by 2. How did you get 60? Square root of 3600 is equal to 60. Square root of 3600 is equal to 60. Now we are going to split it into two terms. Minus 48 plus 60 by 2 minus 48 minus 60 by 2. Minus 48 plus 60. We are subtracting the small term or small number from the larger number and giving the sign of the larger number. That is 60 minus 48 is equal to 12 by 2. Here minus 48 minus 60 minus 108 by 2. 12 by 2 is equal to 6. Here it is minus 54. Now what was our x? Speed of the stream is equal to x kilometer per hour. That was our assumption. Hence negative 54 cannot be accepted in this case because speed of the stream will never be equal to a negative number. So we can accept only the positive value of x. That means speed of the stream is equal to 6 kilometers per hour. The value of x is equal to 6. We are accepting the positive number, the positive value x is equal to 6 means speed of the stream is equal to 6 kilometers per hour. So, for solving this problem, we have to find out the speed in upstream 18 minus x kilometers per hour and the speed in downstream 18 plus x kilometers per hour. And the distance being the same in both cases, we have to find out the time taken in upstream and the time taken in downstream. The difference between the two times is always 1. It is given in the question. So we are subtracting the larger from the larger term, the smaller term, the difference is 1. Now simplifying by taking the LCM and cross multiplying, we will get the second degree equation, quadratic equation as x square plus 48 minus 324 is equal to 0. Now find out the solution or solve the quadratic equation using quadratic formula. The result is one value of x is positive and the second value is negative. But in this case, we cannot accept the negative value because we had already assumed the value of x as the speed of the stream. Speed of the stream will never be a negative number or speed cannot be negative. So, we are accepting the positive value of x. That means x is equal to 6. That is, speed of the stream is equal to 6 kilometers per hour. Okay.